How to crossplay PC and console Rainbow Six. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you learn how to enable crossplay in Rainbow Six Siege between PlayStation and Xbox consoles. If you've been wanting to play with friends on different consoles, I'll show you exactly how to set up step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Rainbow Six Siege on your console. Start the game on your PlayStation or Xbox console and wait for the loading into the main menu. Step 2. Go to the settings menu. Press the gear icon in the top right corner or use the options menu button on your controller. Step 3. Navigate to the account and privacy. In the settings, scroll down to the account and privacy. This is where you control crossplay features. Step 4. Enable crossplay and cross communication. Make sure both crossplay and cross communication are turned on. This allows you to play and chat with the players on other consoles. Step 5. Link your Ubisoft account. Go to ubisoftconnect.com and link your PlayStation or Xbox account to your Ubisoft account. This enables full crossplay functionality and cross progression. Step 6. Add friends using Ubisoft Connect. From the main menu, open the Ubisoft Connect overlay and use the Friends tab to search for your friend's Ubisoft name. Add them and invite them to your squad. Extra tips. Crossplay only works between PlayStation and Xbox. You cannot crossplay between console and PC. Your progression like operators, skin, rank is shared across platforms if your accounts are linked. And that's it. That was a quick tutorial on how to set up crossplay in Rainbow Six Siege on console. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.